Good evening, students. It's me, your instructor Gajjal Ashok, Assistant Professor, Department of ECE. So today I'm going to plan one more online lecture on uh, alternative softwares to MATLAB. So MATLAB is a very costly software. Uh, so if you anybody wanna work on it, so we need to try to buy professional license. So it's around you take 30 lakhs plus, I think. So such a huge amount an ordinary person cannot be spent on it, right? So that's why today I'm going to introduce few interesting concepts. Those concepts along with one interesting software which works like a MATLAB. Okay, so let's get started. Before going to our lecture, so I'm going to give you some weekend assignments. First we go through weekend assignment and then we will start our class. So the alternative software to MATLAB is Octo. So I'm going to give you weekend assignments on Octo. The weekend assignment is this. See, this is weekend assignment 1. So what I am trying to ask you is plot lemma con r equal to 1 minus sine theta. So you need to write a program to get this kind of graphs by using Octo software. Octo software is the alternative software who can work like MATLAB, okay? And this is assignment 2. Assignment 2 is graph 3 periods of radius 2 cycloid. So you need to get the output in this fashion. And assignment 3 is this. So f of x equal to some function x cubed plus 3x square minus 10x. And what you have to do is you need to find plot normal function f dash and f double dash function, and expected results are these. So why these softwares all are that much important? Because so before we are going to build a hardware system, so if to build a hardware system investment is about 500 crores, 600 crores, imagine. So if something went wrong when we designed hardware, so that is going to be very huge loss, right? In that times what we have to do, we need a virtual software which can work like a hardware in real time. So first we design entire system in virtual world. We will test them whether they are working or not. After that, by using this model is embedded into your manufacturing devices, that manufacturing system will take care about perfect manufacturing. Okay, so that's why we need a software which can help us to develop a hardware model virtually, test it, and we convert it to any another platform for manufacturing purpose. So you can build a very interesting systems by using MATLAB. You can develop embedded system. You can develop 5G communication modules. You can develop image processing. You can develop computer vision. You can develop artificial intelligence models. So every field of science and technology, MATLAB can deal with it. Even you can control hardware equipment, I mean to say Internet of Things from MATLAB also. MATLAB can support different language platforms. Even you can convert MATLAB code to another platforms also. So now I am going to tell you is MATLAB can also generate standalone applications. Standalone application means without MATLAB software you can run the MATLAB program anywhere. .exe file, executable file you can create in MATLAB. Such a facilities is available in MATLAB. So even you can design virtual chips, integrated circuits you are able to design in MATLAB. Such a sophisticated software, that's why we need to understand. Even you can design simulation, real-time simulation models. That means it can take the sensor outputs, sensor as an input, it can plot in real time. So such a kind of real-time things also you can do in MATLAB. Do you understanding? So that's why such a MATLAB is a very costly software, but we need to work on it as a students. So if you go for any Qualcomm company, there they purchased the entire software. There is no any issue. Before that, we need to work on MATLAB or alternating software called Octo. So Octo scripting language is same as MATLAB. So first I am going to show you what I told you already. So MATLAB or Octo software helps us to develop virtual modules. So why? Because hardware manufacturing is a very complex task. If we build the system in virtually, so a mission, we embed that virtual models in a manufacturing mission. Manufacturing mission is an intelligent one which can take care to manufacturing entire process. So the faults will occur is reduced because we investing lot of money, right? So such a complex task you need to see first, okay? That's why I'm going to show you the manufacturing process of a Intel Core processor is very difficult. So I'm going to show you such a software right now, okay? So just watch the video, so which is very interesting. So it's about 4 minutes video. Later that I will show you the similarities between Octo and MATLAB, and at the same time I will build a new interesting model MATLAB today. So you learn these things, and already I told you how to install MATLAB app in your mobile, so it can connect from the cloud environment. So you can work on it also, find the solutions. So but Octo software will not install in your mobile, so you need a laptop for it. I will show you that. So first you watch this video.
The world is producing data at an unprecedented rate, faster than our ability to analyze and understand it. To move, store, and compute all of this data requires incredible processing power. From the blazing speeds of our devices to blazing trails within AI, Intel builds chips that are at the heart of nearly everything. Within every Intel chip manufacturing facility across the globe, innovators are pushing the limits of science and literally rearranging atoms to create groundbreaking technology. This strong silicon foundation is what gives each Intel chip limitless potential. At the heart of all modern electronics, the transistor is a tiny switch, 10,000 times smaller than a human hair, that controls the flow of electrons through a circuit. To build a processor, billions of transistors are packed into an area no larger than a fingernail. It's one of mankind's most complex feats, and a remarkable achievement that Intel has essentially doubled transistor density in every new generation of processors. The process begins when silicon-rich sand is melted and cooled, forming a solid, which is then sliced into wafers. Once inside an Intel fab, the raw wafers begin their long journey through an incredibly complex process. They're loaded into front-opening unified pods, or FOUPs, which travel hundreds of miles along Intel's automated superhighway, going from tool to tool, as processors are painstakingly built up on each wafer. The wafer first goes through a series of important steps, such as photolithography, ion implantation, and etching, that prepare it for the critical transistor formation process. Intel was the first to manufacture three-dimensional transistors called FinFETs. FinFET construction requires first building a channel in the form of a fin. Intel has devised several innovations to overcome fundamental barriers to continued transistor scaling. One such innovation is a breakthrough fabrication method called gate last. It involves building, then removing a temporary gate in order to precisely place the dielectric material and metal gate. This allows for the gate to wrap around the fin and control the flow of electrons through the channel. Another invention moves the transistor contact directly over the active gate. To accomplish this, the gate material is recessed and then filled with insulating dielectric material to prevent the creation of a short circuit. Next, the dielectric near the gate is etched, filled with metal, recessed, and capped to allow a novel self-aligning process that enables the high-density contact geometries. Now, the dielectrics are etched selectively to expose only the desired part to connect to the first metal lines. This is done through an innovative via etch and deposition scheme, allowing contact over active gate to happen. Finally, dozens of layers of metal interconnect lines are added to complete the circuit. After more than 1,000 of these complex steps, the wafers are finally prepared for singulation and packaging. Innovative processor packaging has become a critical feature of advanced computing architecture. 2D and 3D packaging technologies are enabling new device form factors and additional boosts in performance and energy efficiency. Testing of the final product ensures that every chip exceeds our performance and quality standards. In addition to adding more performance and features with each new processor generation, Intel's integrated design and manufacturing capabilities have enabled humanity to innovate game-changing technologies that impact nearly every facet of modern life. Intel keeps powering the world. At the same time, we're powered by you, the makers, the dreamers, the doers, the people who share in our history of making the world smarter, faster, and more connected.
So that's it. Very interesting, right? The process is very complex. So that's why we are going to learn different programming languages to build first models in virtually, then we convert them to manufacturing Bayesians. And now I'm going to show you how to install an alternative software called Octo. So you go to Google. So you just type OCTAV. So here you get some links. Okay. Here you see in sidebar, this is the somewhat introduction. So it's a GNU Active software featuring high-level programming language, primarily intended for numerical computations. Octo helps in solving linear, nonlinear problems numerically and for performing another numerical experiments using language that is most compatible with MATLAB. You understand that. And at the same time, Octo is capable to install Windows, Mac OS, Linux, BSD. Okay, last month update, recent version is 5.2.0 released, February 2020. And developers John W. Eaton and many others, because so Octo is a open source, that's why anyone can contribute to it to develop a sophisticated software. And this can be available in 19 languages. And at the same time, the software which is working on, I mean to say Octo platform, it supports C, CPP and Fortran. This is the small introduction about GNU Active, and my plan is to install this software. So for that you open this link. If you open this link, I will open that in separate window. So tab, this is the software where I can get my copy. Okay, so if you click on download, another page is open. So here you see Windows 64, Windows 32 and 64 later ones. So this is the latest installer. So mine, you see here, source, GNU Linux, OS, these are the different operating systems, but my laptop is Windows 64-bit operating system. That's why I download this. After download, you install that one, you just click on next, like that, okay? There isn't any problem in installation. So once installation is done, you will get 2 files on desktop. So I have many files in my desktop, that's why I'm not, I hide it. So if you find 2 icons on desktop after installing Octo, so one is command window, second one is GUI model. So if you open command window, this is look like this. See, Octo and Active 3. Say for example, let's get started. How she is working means, say for example, you know some conditions in MATLAB. What is some conditions? 1 plus 2. So what is the answer you get? 4, isn't it? So and at the same time, let's get started. Let's test this machine. I mean to say this software to plot. To generate numbers between 1 to 100. How can I do that? So 1 is to 100. Okay, you just put enter. See, this working exactly like a MATLAB. If you want to see the graphical representation of these numbers, so what you have to do, what is the command for it in MATLAB? Plot of. It's defaultly stored in answer variable, right? That's why answer, because I'm not create any variable. So if I'm not create any variable, it doesn't show any error. It can store the answer in default variable called ANS. So just enter. See, this is the graph, linear graph, because numbers which are generated by me are linearly variable. So that's why this is the plot between 100 values. So this is how a octo.gu.exe command window will works. Okay, so I put I close this. So you understood, right, how it is working. And at the same time, another icon you also find after installing Octo in your system. So that is GUI model. So see, this is Octo GUI model. So it's somewhat, it look like a MATLAB. So see, this is your current window as like a MATLAB, and at the same time this is workspace. So in MATLAB you find workspace this side. This is command history. And come to here, this is command window. So where you can do variety of things, right? So first I can type here to clear these guys. That is CLC. CLC means clear the console. So this is the interface of Octo software, and at the same time I opened up, this is MATLAB. So already I assigned text file in one single interface. See, we will try now same commands MATLAB and Octo simultaneously. Okay, then only you can get my point, where both are working in similar fashion. Do you understand? So okay, now you type, you generate sinusoidal, so in MATLAB. So I will do that in command window itself. Say for example, how values varies. What are the values? I mean to say limits of sinusoidal. So the limits of sinusoidal magnitude lies in between 1 and -1. Okay, so that's why I want to represent. I want to take n number of values to generate sinusoidal wave. So in between -1 to +1. So say for example t equal to -1, and you take the values with difference of 0.01. That means -1 to +1, you take each and every value with value to value between the difference is 0.01. That is my aim. Then only I can generate 400 plus values. Then I will get the sinusoidal in a smoother fashion. Okay. Now you put semicolon, because if you put semicolon, it doesn't execute, it just takes the values. Okay, enter. That's it. You get the variable right here. And same thing I will do in active. Whether it accepts or not, let's check it. T equal to -1 colon 0.01 colon and 1, you put semicolon, enter. See, you get the variable here like a MATLAB. Understand? Now you come to MATLAB now. So in MATLAB, what you have to do, some variable y, this variable equal to the mathematical expression to generate sinusoidal. What is the mathematical expression? Sine of say for example 2 pi f or 2 pi t. So to star means multiplication, pi means 3.14 into and t. So you put semicolon, otherwise it can execute all the numbers. It look like a clumsy. Okay. So to avoid that, I put here semicolon. I do same operation in octal. Come to octal. So this is octal window. So you put variable y, sine of what it is called, 2 star pi star, and what that guy, okay, it's t, and you put semicolon here, enter. So it takes the values. That means for different values of t, so sinusoidal values calculated and stored in y. That's what I done it. Now for a human eye, so if you watch y physically, graphically, so if it look like a sinusoidal, then we will satisfy, right? So now what I have to do, plot of whom? Y. Okay, you just execute this, and MATLAB is heavy software, you know. At initial starting, it will take a few seconds to open it, graphical window, and you come to octo. Let's get start here also. Plot of y and execute this. See how quick is. See, this is the graph in active. Okay, same answer we got in MATLAB or not, also we check it. See, this is a MATLAB graph. Same answer you get. So same program is working identical. So why I'm teaching this? Because if you are not having MATLAB software with you, so you do not stop your gaining skills of MATLAB programming. So that's why I'm teaching how to work with Octo. So Octo code is very similar to MATLAB. So only the difference is MATLAB is a paid version and Octo is a open source. Do you understand? So this is how MATLAB and everything is working, and I will show you another interesting concepts in Octo. So let's say for example some variable g, I am generating eigen matrix. So column matrix by 3 by 3, 3 comma 3. So you just enter, see, you get the eigen matrix, right? So if you want 5 by 5, you just click on upper arrow, and you no need to write every time 3 comma 3. If you write 4, it will print 4 by 4. This is the matrix how we can do. If you want all ones, how can I do all ones? Just you have a variable h, and So you write a command once. This is once to generate all ones of 3 by 3 matrix. So you just enter. See, you got the 3 by 3 matrix. This is how MATLAB will help you to, Octo will help you to generate different mathematical operations. The same thing I will try in MATLAB, whether it is working or not. Let's check it, okay? So, and come to your MATLAB and you do one thing. So first you take some variable h equal to I of 3 by 3 identity matrix, identity matrix 3 by 3. You just click on C. You get 3 by 3 column matrix, okay, diagonal matrix. And at the same time you need all ones matrix. So all ones matrix, say for example j equal to ONES ones of whom? Ones of 4, I think 4 or 5, whatever it may be. It can print all the values 4 by 4. This is the 4 by 4 ones matrix. So now my interest is to show you how show you this matrix in 3-dimensional space, how this matrix will be look like in 3-dimensional space. Do you getting my point? So one simple command to watch matrices in 3-dimensional space graphics. So you just type surf of SURF, surface plot. Surface plot is a 3-dimensional space to represent your matrix. What is your matrix? J. So you enter and wait for the gain. See, this is how you can get your graphs, okay? Understand? So that means from ground line, so this plot, 3-dimensional plot is a parallel plot to the these directions, okay? So it lies at the height of where? At 1 from the ground, okay? So that's how mathematical functions will help us to watch in graphical representation also. So let's close this and try same thing in Octo. So you come here, so it's H right here. So you just type surf of SURF, surf of H, enter, see, same graph you get now. So that's what I am telling you, no? So Octo and MATLAB will work together. So you just installed in your laptop and system. Do practice on Octo if you do not have MATLAB. So MATLAB is a heavy software. It's around 20 GB. You know, latest one is 20 GB. To download it from Crack. Crack means it's a pirated software. I do not encourage pirated software, okay? So some virus you may find in it, torrents. Torrents are officially blocked by Government of India. So you do not try that, okay? And this is about how Octo is working. So for a while in this lecture I am going to close Octo class. So you try on Octo. Now I am going to show you a very interesting model in MATLAB. So simple concept, how do we work on it? So in last class I teach you how to generate a sinusoidal. If you click on a GUI, only one radial button I posted there, but today I will create 2 radial buttons, but one graphical window. If we click one button, you need to generate one graph. If you click another button, it can be displayed, whatever the corresponding code is put in that, okay? So that's why that is the reason. Before that I am going to show you some documentary, because MATLAB very rich in document. Document means it can help you, very rich in help. So everything it will guide you. So if you type DOC and enter, it will open document. So MATLAB help. See, this is the MATLAB help. So wait a second, it will loading. This is how the MATLAB help is there. See, 5G toolbox and aerospace, and machine learning DSP toolbox, communication toolbox, computer vision. Now computer vision is a trending, deep learning toolbox. Once upon a time in MATLAB, you can find deep learning toolbox as a artificial neural networks, ANN, and image acquisition, instrumentation. See, LTE systems you can develop, LTE toolbox. So these toolbox where Qualcomm company is working. So that's what I am letting you know. Okay, if you are expert, MATLAB helped you to design 5G models. Hyderabad Qualcomm company exclusively concentrating on how to design 5G networks. So now you people are experiencing the 4G. Within the 2 years, we are going to enjoy 5G services. Do you getting my point? So such a things you can even you can design some HDL, I mean chip designing things, HDL coder, HDL verifiers. So that means Robert Bosch company, you well known, right? Bosch cars automatic systems can be programmed by MATLAB. So whatever the processor we need, the code which is running on newly formed processor, which is dedicatedly designed for Robert Bosch cars, is generated in MATLAB. Okay, those are not commercially available processors. They designed themselves. Such a thing we can do in MATLAB. So exactly MATLAB code is not run on it. First you develop on MATLAB, then you can convert them to mission understandable format. So that's what you need to understand. Okay, so this is how see, power strain, predictive maintenance, robotics, sensor tracking. You can track sensor data in a real time, signal processing, biology, see 3D animations, Simulink. So everything, state flow, economics, wavelets theory, WLANs, everything is available in MATLAB. So that's why I'm suggesting to learn MATLAB. So and at the same time you learn Python, because if you adapt to MATLAB only, you can in some time in future, if MATLAB fall down, you are not able to attempt to learn in Python. So you do learn Python, MATLAB similarly. Then only you can exist your life in technical field. Okay, you getting my point? Yeah. So now I'm going to tell you how to design. First I wanna clear it, CLC. So first you drag up this. So here you type what is the command to design GUIs. First you open tool, guide, and you click on enter. So if you click on enter, it will open a separate window. So my interest is to choose a blank GUI. So I will teach you in further lectures why GUI with unique controls, GUI with the axis menu. So different things are there. So I will explain with examples in later on classes. So first you click on OK. So if you click on OK, it will appear a separate window. So this is the window. You do maximize and adjust this. If you put like this, it will give you some arrow mark, bidirectional arrow, and you do extend like this. Okay. Now my interest is if you put development of two separate controlling blocks to generate different graphs. Okay. So now you come to here. First you draw graph. Okay. Now I want radial buttons. Where is radial buttons? This is static text. This is radial button. Okay, push button or push button. So you need how many push buttons? 2 push buttons. Another push button I will take. So you put I will enable different code to one push button and another push button. First you need to edit, so and come to here. First you edit text. So first push button I need to make her to generate sinusoidal as usual. Yesterday class, I mean last class, generate sine signals, sine signals, sine signal, and you put some color for eye catching. So background color I choose blue. Okay, so this is blue, and foreground color will represent the letter color. So I will choose her as white. Okay, now you increase size. So 8 is very small size, I put it as a 24 and close this. See, this is how sinusoidal will generate. Okay, generate sinusoidal signal, and make this also. I can do this plot matrix, plot matrix in 3D. Okay, that's my aim. And at the same time you come here, foreground color is tell me which color. It's okay, you do. Okay, I will take white, and for background color could be which color? Okay, I will choose pink. Okay, most of the persons will like it, right? So is it pink? Yeah, of course. And increase size 24. Okay, that's it. See, here you got the 3D plot, and you put a title. So that's why I take text. So text, you click on, and so you give the name, generate a project to develop 2D and 3D signals developed by Second ECE St. Mary's Women's Engineering College. Okay, that's what my title is, and I'm going to choose very pretty good colors. So it might be green, and foreground color is white, and it's about 24 size. So here you got very interesting. Okay, now this is the interface which will be appeared. You save, and default code will appear. I will write coding for generate sinusoidal and the 3D plot. Okay, save. If you save it, it will open a text file, script file. Okay, so it's asking me to share somewhere. So where can I do this? So you go to already created math programs. So there my program 3D, okay, save. So if you save it, a code will open. Okay, this is the code. I will drag it. See, these are the push button 1, push button 2. The remaining stuff is to create a window. Okay, I will explain this is also how we are getting this in later classes. First you write a program for push button 1. Push button 1 is to generate a sinusoidal. You click here and enter. So t equal to -1, already you know this code, okay, is to 0.01 is to 1. Is it okay? Yeah, correct. So now y equal to sine of what? 2 star, I mean asterisk pi star 3 and followed by semicolon, and plot of whom? Y, I mean t comma y, okay, semicolon. So this is the code will run on push button 1, and at the same time push button 2 you take. So say for example z equal to which matrix do you want to take? So matrix ones of 4, okay, 4 by 4 ones matrix, and some g next to surf, surf of z, surf of g. That means I am going to plot it. Okay, this is the simple thing. You save and try to run it. Okay, see, this is the run button, you click on that. I will tell you, see, already I am not set path. Okay, here see Windows 32, that is different path, but my file is saved in E drive, right? So that's why if you get such a interesting thing, I mean such a problem, you just click on add to path. Okay, then the program will execute. See, this is the beautiful GUI designed by St. Mary's Women's Engineering College. So now this is one icon, this is another icon. First you click whether it appears or not, we'll check it. Okay, click, yeah, see how beautiful you get the sinusoidal. Now another interesting thing is if you click on this 3D, let me see which graph you will get. Wow, this is the beauty of MATLAB. You can design a graphical user interface. This is the graphical user interface. You may call shortcut GUIs. Even you can build real-time interactive GUIs. That means, so if you plot a real-time data here also, okay. So I will teach you such an interesting concept in further classes. Okay, please do enjoy the class and learn well. Be safe at homes. Don't go away anywhere. So maintain isolations. Okay, social distance is most important, and be safe. Keep everyone safe. So this is the end of my lecture today. I will plan later classes. Stay tuned. Okay, thank you.